Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox with you Perla or Perla by Ellen Wille in the gorgeous color Chocolate Mix, and it's from the Modix collection. If you are wondering, I am wearing a London Super, also by Ellen Wille from the Modix collection, in the color Sand Shaded, and I have an unboxing of this wig as well on my YouTube channel, so just go and have a look, it's right there. But today it's about Perla. Not a new style, but a new style to me. I have seen it around quite a few times and I really like the waves. It's a wavy bob. It has a basic cap. So I wondered if it is a good beginner's wig, because then you don't need to worry about lace fronts and hairlines, etc. And you can just put it on and go. So always securely packaged. And look at these waves. They're really pretty waves. So as I said, this is a basic cap, no lace front. You have a monofilament crown. I personally don't see the point in them, but some people just like the idea that if somebody's behind you, you might want them to see the illusion of sculpt, but it's there. So you have that option, but then it's open weft sides and back, extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters. And there's quite a bit of stretch in this cap. Look how pretty. And let's put Perla on. So let me just put it where I think it needs to go. Oh, this is cute. That's it. And I think all you have to do is take off the tag and you're ready to go. So let me show you from all sides. Really light. So let me show you what it looks like when you move the fringe across. So on me, it probably needs a little bit of trimming. Maybe not. So this is what it looks like with a full fringe. I always prefer my fringe to go to one side, but that's just personal preference. And then can tuck it. Permatease wise, a little bit of permatease, nothing poofy. So even though it's a basic cap, you would expect a little bit more permatease than what there is here. There is permatease, but it's not poofy and it's not big. So I guess that's good to know for everyone who isn't the biggest fan of permatease. And for those who like a little bit of permatease, you still have a little bit of it. But because you have these waves, you have that kind of natural volume anyway. But it is natural volume, I think. It's so cute. Tell me what you think of Perla. I will do an in-depth review very, very soon on my YouTube channel, so subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you're interested in this piece, you get 20% off at Aruan's Trendgo with the code K20, and I will put the link down below in the description box so you can find it quickly and easily and get it for a good price. And don't forget, Aruan's ship worldwide, so you can get it wherever you are in the world. Have a wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon. Bye.